Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to touch on batteries again. Batteries again? Yeah, well, there's one battery I haven't talked about that some flashlights still, actually there's several batteries I haven't talked about, but this is one that is more common in the house that I haven't talked about yet, and there are a lot of flashlights that take it. That is your D-size battery. Well, like I said, there are some flashlights that take that. I got several mag lights. Your nice, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 cell flashlights. I got several of those. And my son, who's also now starting work security, has those as well. So you may want to consider adding some D-cell batteries if you have those flashlights around to your preps. Something else to consider too is getting some rechargeable ones. These are the rechargeable nickel metal hydroxide batteries, and these price-wise, for the amount of times you can use them and stuff, they're a big savings over your alkaline batteries. All right, so think about adding D-cell flashlight batteries to your preps. Now you may say, well, I don't have anything right now that takes D-cell. Well, that's where it might be an idea to check out the ones that, at the store, whatever, in the package, that 4-pack or whatever, that has, don't just check the ones in the front, check the ones in the back. The one that has the longest lifetime on it before best use by date. Because you never can tell when you're going to wind up finding or being given a flashlight that takes the D-cell batteries. The other thing too, if you don't want to worry about the alkali ones, say, I don't think I'll ever use them. You can get a 2-pack of these at Harbor Freight, and you can pick up a little cheap charger for them as well. These come charged, and they're supposed to have a 10-year life expectancy on it for going from fully charged down to 70%. So get those, and then you can always top them off after several years, whatever. If you think they're getting down low, you put them on the tester, see how they're doing, and recharge them. All right. So before I take off, I'm going to put a link to my other channel, which has a bunch of emergency preparedness stuff over there for homesteaders and preppers and stuff. That's Camp Pat and Family Compound. I'll put that link right up here. Then I'm going to put a link to the Prepping for Beginners and the Prepping in Private playlists over here, so you can share those out. Why? This is why.